Hi children, how are you? My name is Firoz. Today I am going to discuss the chapter Quadratic Equation of CBSE Class 10. Okay, so let us start the fourth chapter of your textbook Quadratic Equations. See, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 comma a not equal to 0. So any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can call it as a quadratic equations, but condition a never be 0. X square, coefficient of x square never be 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form equations are called quadratic equations. For example, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is 5, and the constant term is 3. So such equations are called quadratic equations. Now to solve a quadratic equation, we have two methods to solve quadratic equation. We have two methods. The first method is, there are many methods are there, but you have to study only two methods. One is factorization method. And the second one is factorization, and the second method is by quadratic formula. By quadratic formula Factorization means it is by splitting the middle term you can do it. So anyway, through when we move to the exercise, I will explain how to do using factorization and by quadratic formula also. Okay, so quadratic formula we can write. The formula is this one: x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So this is called a quadratic formula. Here this b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. It is called discriminant. Okay, so using this formula also we can find the solution of this quadratic equation. The values of x, solution means roots means value of x. So the values of x by formula we can do, or by factorization. Only two methods you have to study. Okay children, so let us move to the exercise questions. See here, exercise 4.1. First question, check whether the following are quadratic equations. First question, x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. We have to check this forms a quadratic equation or not. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So first question we have to expand it. We have to expand that one. The question, x plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole squared is equal to 2 into x minus 3. We have to expand this using the identity a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square. Using the identity a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to what? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So using the identity a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we have to expand this one. Then you will get a square. A square means x square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x into 1. 2 into x into 1. So 2 into x into 1 will be what? 2x. 2 into x into 1 will be 2x. 2 into x into 1 will be 2x plus b squared. B squared means here b, in place of b we have here 1. So 1 square, that is 1, is equal to, open this bracket using monomial by binomial multiplication. You have to open this bracket. So you will get 2 into x is equal to 2x minus, this minus you can write here, then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, now you can see here both sides we have plus 2x, and here also we have plus 2x. Both sides we have plus 2x, so we can cancel this plus 2x, and this plus 2x you can cancel. Then what is left there, that we can write here, that is x squared, x square plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Now you have to transpose this minus 6 to left side, then you will get x squared plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6, when you change it to this side, it will be plus 6 is equal to 0. So that means x squared plus 1 plus 6 will be what? 7. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we can change that into, in the standard form, we can write that in the standard form, that is x square plus 0x. X term is not here, so we can give 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now check here, this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In place of a we have 1. So 1x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can write this equation. After simplifying this, we can change that in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can say this forms a quadratic equation. So check whether the following are quadratic equations. So first one, yes, it's a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now, let us start question number 2. Question number 2. What is the second question? X square minus 2x. X squared minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Okay, now right side, left side, nothing to do. You can write the same, that is x square minus 2x is equal to, this you can open this bracket. So you will get what? Minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x will be minus into minus will be plus. 2 into x will be what? 2x. Okay, now we can rearrange it. That is all the terms you can bring left side. So x squared minus 2x, and this plus 2x you have to take left side. It will be again minus 2x, and minus 6 will change into plus 6 is equal to 0. That is x squared minus 2x and minus 2x. When you add minus 2x and minus 2x, it will be, see, when you add this minus 2x and minus 2x, it will be minus 4x. Okay, so you can write here minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can say yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now let us move to question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Both sides we have binomial. So binomial by binomial multiplication. Okay, so we can open one by one. See, first into first, first into second, second into first, second into second. Okay, so we can open this bracket. So x into x will be what? X square, and x into x will be x square, x into 1 will be plus 1x, plus 1x. Then minus 2 into x will be minus 2x, minus 2x. Then minus 2 into 1 will be what? Minus 2. Check again. First x into x, one first into first, x into x will be x squared, then x into 1 plus 1x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to, here also we can open this bracket, first into first, that is x into x will be x squared, x squared, and x into 3 will be, x into 3 will be what? It will be 3x, 3x, and minus 1 into x will be minus 1x. Then minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Now look here, both sides. Both sides we have x squared cancel. Okay, so from both sides we cancelled x square. That means x square term is not there. From here itself we can say this does not form an AP. Sorry, this does not form a quadratic equation. Okay, so minus 1x minus 2x will be minus 1x minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 3x minus 1x will be 2x minus 3. Okay, so this 2x you can take this side, then minus 1x minus 2x minus 2 minus 3, change it to this side, it will be plus 3 is equal to 0, that is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. This is not in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you can say no, it is not a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay, children. So let us move to the next question. See question number 4. Now let us do question number 4. What is fourth question? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5, x into x plus 5. Here also binomial by binomial we can multiply. We can open these brackets. We will get x into 2x will be 2x squared. 2x square. X into 2x will be 2x square plus x into 1 plus x into 1 will be 1x. So we can write 1x itself here. Then minus 3 into 2x. Minus 3 into 2x will be minus 6x. Minus 6x. Then minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1 will be what? Minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3 is equal to, open here, monomial by binomial multiplication. X into x will be x squared plus 5 into x will be 5x. Okay, now we can rearrange this one. 2x square right here, and that x square you can bring this side, so you will get minus x squared. Now this plus 1x minus 6x, see, plus 1x minus 6x plus 1x and minus 6x, you can add this positive and negative we are adding here, so take the difference. Difference is here 5. and the bigger number sign is here minus, so minus 5x. So you can write here minus 5x, minus 5x, and that 5x you have to bring this side, that my plus 5x you have to bring this side, then it will be minus 5x, then minus 3 is equal to 0. See here 2x square we have written, then that x square, this x square we brought this side, so minus x square, and plus 1x and minus 6 we added, we got minus 5x, and that plus 5x we brought here left side, so it is minus 5x, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can rearrange that. 2x square minus x square will be x squared, minus 5x will be minus 10x. Both are having the same sign, so you have to add it. So minus 5x plus minus 5x will be minus 10x, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can say yes, it is. It forms a quadratic equation. It forms a quadratic equation. Now see question number 5. Question number 5, we can check 2x into x minus 3. So we can write 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5, x plus 5 into x minus 1, x minus 1. Okay, now open the bracket, you will get 2x into x will be 2x squared, 2x into x will be 2x square, 2x into minus 3 will be minus 6x, minus 6x. So 2x, with 2x we have finished. 2x into x is 2x square, 2x into minus 3 will be minus 6x, then with minus 1, minus 1 into x is minus 1x, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 is equal to, now right side we can open, x into x will be x squared, x into minus 1 will be minus 1x, and 5 into x will be plus 5x, plus 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. Now you have to take like terms to all the terms left right side to left side, so you will get here 2x square, write the same, then this x square you have to transpose this one here this side, so it will be minus x squared, then here we have minus 6x minus 1x, minus 6x and minus 1x, so minus 6x minus 1x will be what, minus 7x, so you have to write this as minus 7x, so minus 7x, then here also we have minus 1x plus 5x we have to add, or we can do one thing, this one we can add first, after that transpose. Okay, so we have here 2x square, write 2x square, 2x square we can write here 2x squared, then minus 6x minus 1x, minus 6x, minus 6x and minus 1x you can add, you will get minus 7x, so you can write here minus 7x, minus 7x plus 3 is equal to, here also we have to add, so x square we have to add here minus 1x, minus 1x plus 5x. See, positive and negative you have to add, so take the difference, difference is 4x, so plus 4x will be that one, bigger number sign is plus, so it will be plus 4x, so we can write here plus 4x minus 5. Now you can transpose all these terms to left side, then you will get 2x squared minus x squared minus 7x, minus 7x, here this plus 4x change into left side, it will be minus 4x plus 3, and minus 5 you can transpose, it will be plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square will be x squared minus 7x minus 4x, you can add minus 11x. See, minus 7x minus 4x will be minus 11x, plus 3 plus 5 will be plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can say yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, children. Now, let us do question number 6. What is sixth question? X squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole squared. See here, left side it is in the quadratic form, so no need to change here. Only right side we have to do. So x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square. This you can expand using the identity. Using the identity, which one? A minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole squared? Is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Using this identity, you have to expand this one. So it will be a squared means it will be x squared. So it will be x squared minus 2ab. 2ab will be 2 into x into 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2x into 2 will be 4x. So it will be 4x minus 2 the whole square, that is 2 square, plus b square. Plus b square will be plus 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. So you will get x square minus 4x plus 4. Now from here you can see both sides we have x square, so you can cancel. Anyway, this does not form a quadratic equation. So we can write here, this does not form a quadratic equation by solving this, reducing this, that is 3x, that minus 4x you can bring this side, so it will be 4x plus 1, and 4 you can bring this side, so it will be minus 4 is equal to 0. So you can say it will be 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So this does not form a, no, it does not form a quadratic equation. Now let us move to next question. Question number 7. In 7th question we have x plus 2 the whole cube. X plus 2 the whole cube. X plus 2 the whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. X squared minus 1. So this you can expand using the identity a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So using this identity, you have to expand this one. So I am going to expand it using that identity. So a cube means it will be x cube plus 3a square b. So we can write 3 into a square. A square means x squared into b is 2 here, plus 3ab square. So 3 into a is here x into b square means it is 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4 plus b cube. What is b cube? It is 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8, we know, 2 cube. Okay, that is equal to, here also we have to open the bracket. We will get 2x into x square will be 2x cube, 2x cube, and 2x into minus 1 will be minus 2x. Now we have to rearrange it, that is x cube plus 2 into 3, 6. So it will be 6x squared. 3 into 4, 12x. So this we can write as 12x plus 2 cube will be 8 plus 8 is equal to 2x cube, 2x cube minus 2x. So you have to bring all the terms to one side. So you will get here x cube minus 2x cube, x cube minus 2x cube plus 6x squared, plus 6x squared, no x square term there. So plus 12x, and this minus 2x you have to take here. So plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so x cube, what is x cube minus 2x cube? It will be minus x cube plus 6x square plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 2x is how much? Plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so see here, this is starting with minus x cube. So this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is not in the form. So you can say no, it does not form. It does not form a quadratic equation. Does not form a quadratic equation. Okay, children. So let us move to the next question. Okay, so let us move to the last question of question number 1, 8th question. What's the question? X cube minus 4x square. So we can write x cube minus 4x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. X minus 2 the whole cube. So what is a minus b the whole cube? A plus b the whole cube we have discussed. Now what will be a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube will be a cube minus a squared 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Okay, so we can apply here this left side, nothing to change. So x cube minus 4x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to, this you have to expand using this identity. First term a cube, so it will be x cube minus 3a square b. So 3 into a square is x squared into b is 2 plus 3ab square. So 3 into, see, when we use this equation, don't mind about that minus. Okay, directly we can do only the numbers, only a and b you have to mind. So x and 2. So 3 into a is x into b squared. B squared means it is 2 square. 2 square is 4. Then minus b cube. B cube means it will be 2 cube. Okay, that is equal to, left side we can write here x cube minus 4x squared minus x plus 1 equal to, here also we can write x cube minus 3 into 2 is 6x squared. Now here 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So it will be 12x minus 2 cube is how much? 8. Now from both sides we have to cancel the same. So here you can see x cube and x cube are same. So it will be cancelled. Now we have to transpose other terms. So here we have minus 4x square and that minus 6x square you have to bring this side, so it will be 6 plus 6x square, and minus x is here, and plus 12x you have to bring this side, so minus 12x, and plus 1 here, so left side plus 1 and right side we have minus 8, change to the left side, it will be plus 8 is equal to 0. So anyway, minus 4x square plus 6x square will be how much? Minus 4x square. See, minus 4x squared plus 6x square are like terms. So one is negative and one is positive. So it will be, the difference is 2x square and the bigger number sign is plus. So we can write it as this as 2x squared. Now minus x minus 12x. So you can write minus x minus 12x. See, minus 1x and minus 12x will be, both are negative sign. So you can write minus 13x. So the answer will be here minus 13x. So minus 13x. Now plus 1 plus 8 will be how much? Plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore you can say this forms an AP. This forms a quadratic equation. This forms a quadratic equation. Okay, children. Now question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. So first question, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, so we have to form a quadratic equation here. See the condition given, length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So we have to take, let breadth be, breadth we can take as x meter. Breadth we can take as x meter. Okay, so the breadth we can take as x meter. Then what will be the length? Length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So breadth is x, then what will be its twice? 2x. 2 times will be 2x and 1 more than that one. So you can write length is what? 1 more than twice the breadth. So 2x plus 1. So length and breadth we got. Length be x, breadth be x and length is 2x plus 1. Now the area of the rectangular plot is given, that is L into B. So L into B, length into breadth. The area of rectangular plot, rectangle is L into B. That is given already here, that is 528 meters square. L into B is equal to 528 meters square. So L, what is L here? L is equal to 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 into B. What is B here? B here x. So 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528. Okay. So for making the calculation easy, we can write this x first. So x into 2x plus 1, x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. 528. So open the bracket, you will get x into 2x will be 2x squared plus x into 1 will be 1x, or simply you can write x is equal to 528. Now we can write this in the standard form, that is 2x squared plus 1x or x minus 528 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form of this question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 and its length is 1 more than twice its breadth. See, x length, breadth we can take as x, then the length will be 2x plus 1, 1 more than double, 1 more than double of breadth, twice of its breadth. Okay, then area will be L into B. L into B is equal to 528. So 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528. So it will be x into 2x plus 1, because we know 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3. Both are same. So I did here commutative property. 2 in a 3 into 4 equal to 4 into 3. Same method, x into 2x plus 1 I did here. Open the bracket, you will get a quadratic equation. Okay, children. Okay. So now question number 2 of second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. See, the product of two consecutive positive integers. Which are the positive integers? Positive integers we know 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. are positive integers. Anyway, I am taking two consecutive integers. For example, I take here 2 as a integer. Then its consecutive, the next integer will be 3, 2 comma 3. Now look here, what is the relation between these 2 and 3? Suppose this 2 is x, then what will be the 3? 3 will be x plus 1. See, 1 more than x. See, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, we can take the consecutive integers as x and x plus 1. Okay. In place of 2, we can put here x. Then here it will be x plus 1, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So, the consecutive integers we can take as x and x plus 1. So, let the consecutive positive integers, let the consecutive positive integers, let the consecutive positive integers be, let the consecutive positive integers be, positive integers be what? X and x plus 1, x and x plus 1, x and x plus 1. The consecutive integers you can take as x and x plus 1. Okay. Now see, the product of two consecutive integers is 306. So how can you write it? Product of this x and x plus 1. So x into x plus 1. So x into x plus 1 is equal to how much? It is 306. So open the bracket, you will get x into x will be x squared plus x into 1 will be what? 1x. X into 1 will be 1x is equal to, see, x into x will be x squared plus 1 into x will be 1x is equal to 306. Now change this in the form of standard form of quadratic equation, that is x squared plus 1x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form of this question number 2. Okay, children. Now question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay. And the product of their ages 3 years from now The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We need to find Rohan's percentage. So Rohan's percentage we can take as X. So let Rohan's present age, let Rohan's present age be present age be X. Rohan's present age be X. Then what will be mother's age? Then mother's age will be, then his mother's age will be, then mother's age is 26-year older than him. 26-year older than him means X plus 26. X plus 26. So these are the present ages. These are the present ages of Rohan and his mother. So Rohan's present age be X. Then mother's present age will be what? X plus 26. Now after 3 years. 3 years from now means after 3 years, Rohan's present age will be what? So after 3 years, we can write after 3 years, after 3 years, Rohan's age, Rohan's age will be, Rohan's age will be X plus 3. See, Rohan's age will be what? X plus 3 years. X plus 3 years. Okay. So Rohan's age will be X plus 3 years. And mother's age will be. And his mother's age will be. And his mother's age will be. His mother's age. His mother's age will be how much? X plus 26 is the present age of his mother. X plus 26 the present age. Then after 3 years means plus 3. So X plus 26 plus 3, that is equal to X plus 29. X plus 29. So it will be X plus 29. So X plus 29 years. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be X plus 3 years and his mother's age will be X plus 29 years. Now this product is 360. That is X plus 3. X plus 3 into, according to the question, we can write X plus 3 into X plus 29. X plus 29 is equal to 360. Now we can open this bracket. X into X will be what? X into X will be X squared and X into 29 will be 29x. 29x plus 3 into X will be plus 3x plus 3x plus 3 into 29. What is 3 into 29? 3 into 29. So easy way we can do like this. 29 we have to take it as 30. So 30 into 3. What is 30 into 3? It is 90. So from 90 you can subtract 3. So it will be what? 87. Okay. So 30 into 3. Mental calculation you can do this one. 30 into 3 is 90. So 90 minus 3. 90 minus 3 will get 87. So it will be plus 87 is equal to 360. Now we can rearrange it. X squared plus 29 plus 3. What is 29 plus 3? 29 plus 3 will be what? 32. 29 plus 3 will be 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. Now what is 87 minus 360? 87 minus 360 will be, you have to subtract 87 from 360. 360 minus 87. How much? 360 minus 87. You can, from 10, when you subtract 7, you will get here 3. Then here 5, we have only 5 here, so here we have only 5 because we have carried, we have taken from here. So 5, 15, 15 minus 8. What is 15 minus 8? It is 7. 15 minus 8 will be 7, and here we will have only 2 here. So 273. 273. So we can rewrite this as x squared plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form of this equation. Now let us move to the last question of this exercise. See the question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See, this question is very important. Train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Okay, so let us do it. Here we have two cases, so we can write case 1. This is case 1, and here case 2. So case 1 and case 2. Now we have to take the distance, speed, and time. See here, distance, speed, and time. So what is the distance? A train travels 480 kilometer, 480 kilometer. So distance we can take 480 kilometer. So in case 2 also we have the distance 480 kilometer. Now speed. So the initial speed of the train we can take as x. Initial speed of the train we can take as x. And see, the speed has been decreased. If the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, that means the initial speed was x. So now the speed is reduced by 8. That means x minus 8. X minus 8. Now we know what is the equation for time. Time is equal to, so I am writing here t1. Time is equal to what? Distance divided by speed. So time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so that is equal to, the distance is here 480 and the speed is here x. So we got 480 divided by x as t1. Now from here we can find t2. That also distance is 480 divided by the time, the speed is here x minus 8. X minus 8. Now look here. Here the speed is x and here the speed is x minus 8. Here the speed is x and here the speed is x minus 8. That means speed is reduced. What happened to the time when speed is reduced? If speed is reduced, then time will increase. So we can say this t1 and t2, we can compare t1 and t2. So sure, this t1 will be t2 will be greater than t1. T2 will be greater than t1. Okay, because here the speed is increased. If the speed, if the speed is reduced, time will increase. Okay, so here the time t2 will be greater than t1. Okay, now see here, if the speed is reduced by 8, it would have taken 3 hours more. That means 3 hours extra. This t2 is taking 3 hours extra. So how can you write this? Which one is big? T2. T2 is big. So T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 will be how much? 3 hours. See, T2 minus T1 will be 3 hours because T2 is uh, taking too much time, that 3 hours extra than this one. Okay, so T2 minus T1 will be what? 3. So T2 we can apply here, that is 480 divided by x minus 8 minus T2, sorry, T1. What is T1? 480 divided by x. See, we got T2 minus T1, that is 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x is equal to how much? Is equal to 3. Now we can cross multiply this. So you will get 480 into x will be how much? It will be 480x. 480x minus, you have to cross multiply this one. So you will have 480 into x minus 8. X minus 8. All divided by what we can write? This product. What is the product here? The product will be how much? The product will be x into x minus 8. X into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Now open the brackets. So we will get 480x here. 480x minus, open this bracket, you will get 480x minus into minus, open this bracket, minus into minus will be plus 480 into 8, 480 into 8, 480 into 8, we have to multiply with this 480 with 8. Okay, so this 0 we can write here. Now 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Okay, now 6 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, what is 32 plus 6? 32 plus 6 will be 32 plus 6 is 38. 32 plus 6 is 38. So 3840. So we can write here 3840 divided by, all divided by what? All divided by x squared minus 8x. X square minus 8x is equal to 3. X square minus 8x is equal to 3. So let us do it. This 480x, see, you can see here, this 480x and 480x cancel. So what you get then? Then you will get 3840. 3840 3840 is equal to this x square plus 8x, you can cross multiply to here. So you will get 3 into x squared minus 8x. Okay, so that is 3840, 3840 is equal to, open this bracket, you will get 3x squared minus 3 into 8, 24x. Now you can rearrange this one. While rearranging this, you will get 3x squared, 3x squared minus 24x, minus 24x minus 3840. 3840 is equal to 0. See here, this 24 and 384, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 4 15. So these all are multiples of 3. If you want, you can change this while doing other problems. For solving this, maybe you can divide this by 3 because all the terms are multiples of 3. Okay, so this is the quadratic form of this question. 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. If you want, you can divide it by 3, then you will get how much? 3x square will change into x squared minus 24x will change into 8x minus 3840 will change into 1 in 3, 1 time in 8, 2 time, then in 24, 8 time, so 1280 is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be the last form of this question. X square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. Or if you write this one also, anyway you will get mark. Okay children, thank you.